The ability to add a discount schedule before you apply an inbound ticket to a contract has been added in 2024 R2. So sometimes, well, in prior versions of leverage, the inventory and the shrink were only posted to inventory once the ticket was applied to a contract. 2024 R2 has been enhanced now, so the user has the ability to post a scale ticket to inventory before it has been applied to a contract or a storage agreement. Let's take a look at how we're doing that. The first thing I want to show is how that affects the daily position report and how the scale ticket posts to inventory. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the daily position report. So I'm going to commodity accounting. I'm going to inquiries and reports under risk and take a look at the daily position report. I'm using corn in this example, and we'll run the DPR for corn. One of the things I want to make note of is the on hold quantity, because that's where this feature will have the most effect. You notice here the on hold quantity is 1,992 bushels, 0.87. So that is our starting point. Let's go ahead and enter a inbound scale ticket for 1,000 bushels. So I'm going to go into the inbound tickets. I'm going to go new. I'm going to create one for corn. And the customer here, hit create. I'm going to go to the weights and put in 80,000 pounds. And a tare weight of 24,000 gives us a nice even 1,000 bushel net gross quantity. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter the grade factors. And you notice here now that the discount schedule that defaulted into this screen, and I'll show you later how we default this in. The discount schedule we're going to use is defaulted in here. So as soon as I edit these grades, I'm going to put moisture. Let's make a high moisture so it results in some shrink. We'll put 18.9% in there, 55 test weight, 1% foreign material, and we hit OK here and save this ticket. Now you can see that the system has calculated this new tab. This ticket shrink now has been added to this inbound screen. We have a ticket shrink and says that 1,000 bushel because of the moisture and the discount schedule that was used on that moisture resulted in a 930.18 bushel net quantity. So the way that is again, it's from the grade factors here on the destination grade and this discount schedule. If we don't want to shrink it, we can edit and take the shrink off, the discount schedule off, and it'll use the gross quantity until it's applied to a contract. But by default, we have it set up here to use the corn discount schedule and shrink it immediately upon entry. Or if we've used XML or imported this ticket, it can also show that shrink. So the next step that you might want to do is post the ticket without applying it to a contract. So we have ticket number 29 here. I'm sorry, yep, ticket number 29 here. And we're going to go to the inbound ticket, and we are going to, we've added this new feature here called post to inventory. So when we click that post to inventory, now the inventory journal has been created, number 939. And it has been posted, this ticket has been posted to inventory, even though we have not yet applied it to a contract. So let's take a look at what that posting journal might look like. I'm going to go in and look at inventory right now, and we'll see that in there. So we're going to go to inventory management. We're going to look at inventory adjustments, and we are going to look at my posted. So I'm going to take this filter off. I'm going to put the highest number at the top so I can see this is my ticket posting. This is the shrink for that scale ticket. You notice it's the 69.83 of shrink, 69.83 bushels of shrink in the one posting journal. And then in the posting journal just before that, for ticket number 29, we're going to find the 1,000 bushels gross. So when we posted that ticket, we got two journals, one with the shrink and one with the gross quantity. So the inventory is correct. And we have not yet put that ticket on the daily, or have not posted that ticket to a contract. So let's take a look now at the daily position report. Go to commodity accounting and we look to the risk daily position report. And we see here the on hold quantity prior was 1,992.87. It is now on hold 2,923.04. The net quantity of that new ticket now is included in that on hold because it has not yet been applied to a contract. So now another change to make that happen is the ability now to apply that inbound ticket that has already been posted to the contract. You can see here that the ticket is listed, even though it's been posted. But we can select that ticket and apply it to the contract. And so, in summary, we've enhanced Leverage 2024 R2 to include the ability to post a scale ticket before it's applied to a scale ticket, and also calculate the shrink on that scale ticket even before you've applied it to the contract.